was going on, like after our last adjustment, like it felt so much better again.
Did we adjust the foot last time?
No, we haven't even touched the foot yet.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, and so like, cause I had this like weird pain and I was good and I golfed yesterday and it usually hurts it and it was good.
Before chiropractic here, when was the last time you golfed?
I didn't golf for probably like 3 months, 4 months before.
And then what was the story about college? Was that what you golfed in college?
Golfed in college. Kind of got injured from overdoing it in the gym. They said I had like 2 bulging discs and said like, oh yeah, take it easy. Like it's just gonna get worse from here. And I was like, oh great, like there goes my golf career. And like I remember doing a deadlift and like feeling it like, oh god, that hurts really bad. And then it was just like always a stiff pain. And like one morning I was laying in bed and I couldn't bend at my waist. Like I just couldn't get up at all. And so then golf just kind of always was like hurting ever since then. So that was what, like 6-7 years ago. So.
And then now you're back to golfing?
Yeah, now I can golf all the time.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. Well, your 2 choices of injury there, deadlifting and twisting, they're about the worst things you can do.
Yeah.
For that L5. Let's see what's going on here today.
Never do it again.
C7 or T1 there. Is there nothing there? Okay. L5 and that's C7 or T1. Let's check your SI joints. Come on over here. Stand there. Right leg, left leg, right, left. Right moves a little bit less, but it's still moving slightly. Your problem here is that posterior 5th lumbar. That 5th lumbar has shifted backwards. It's not in alignment there. And that's what's pinching at. So that was probably one of the discs that they said you herniated. Just like Tiger, just like all you golfers.
Yeah.
And deadlifters. Lie on your right side here, please. And breathe out. Good. Okay. Now, see if the right one's moving any better. Right. There we go. A little bit. Right. Left. And come on, let's have a seat here. More tender here, or more tender here?
Oh, that one, for sure.
Okay. So that's T2. We'll set that in a chair here. A little bit deeper. Okay, let's all check that. All right, so it's T2 and L5 there, and you're cleared out. Tell me where you're at overall now. You've been here for like, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are you at overall?
Oh, I feel night and day, like getting up and doing stuff. Like just sleeping wise, like a lot better. Like I used to like get like really sore sleeping on my right side and like have hip pain and all of that, and I don't have the hip pain anymore. Golfing, I'd get like halfway through a round and just feel like this just sucks. I gotta quit. Like this just hurts. It's not fun anymore. And yesterday was perfect.
Wow, great.
Yeah.
A full 18 yesterday?
Yeah, full 18 yesterday. Yeah.
Where do you have the time to do that?
Yeah. Got a good job.
Yeah. You're good. You're clear. You look great. And